Hi pupils and welcome to the channel Tanya's Polyglot. In today's lesson we are going to learn all about adverbs. If you want to know why it's important that you know them, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
Today we are going to learn all about adverbs. Adverbs are used to change or add detail to verbs or adjectives in sentences. Many adverbs end with the letters ly, but there are some adverbs that don't. So you must be wondering, but what are adverbs? Adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They often describe how, when, where, or to what extent an action is performed. Now let's look at some adverbs. Do you remember that yesterday we studied, well, not yesterday, the day before yesterday we studied frequency adverbs? But if it wasn't clear, I decided to make this video for you to understand a little bit better what is an adverb. So let's look at some examples. We have here beautifully, carefully, quickly, slowly, well, badly, loudly, softly, eagerly, happily, now, then, today, tomorrow, yesterday, soon, already, lately, never, always, here, there, everywhere, inside, outside, nearby, abroad, upstairs, downstairs, and away. Um, if you observe, the majority of adverbs ends with ly. Is in the way that you will identify them, but that it doesn't mean that always an adverb will end in ly, like the case of here, there, now, then, and today, right? So be careful. Then we have here more examples. Very, too, quite, really, extremely, so, enough, hardly, almost, completely. And do you remember that we saw yesterday, well, the day before yesterday, the frequency adverb always, never, often, rarely, sometimes, usually, occasionally, frequently, seldom, daily. Then we have to, so, thus, therefore, hence, in order, and that. There are many types of adverbs, and we will see them now. For example, we have adverbs of time. These adverbs describe when an action occurs. For example, they arrived yesterday. Yesterday is the adverb in this sentence. Then we have another example. She will come soon. Then we have adverbs of manner. These adverbs describe how an action is performed. For example, she sings beautifully. He drives carefully. Then we have the adverbs of place. These adverbs describe where an action occurs. For example, the cat is outside. He looked everywhere. Then we have here adverbs of degree. These describe the intensity or degree of an action or quality. For example, it's very hot today. She's quite tall. And here we have adverbs of frequency. Do you remember that we saw it in the day before yesterday? And if you don't know, I recommend you to watch my video. You will find it in this YouTube channel. These adverbs describe how often an action occurs. For example, they always eat dinner together. He rarely goes to the gym. Then we have the adverbs of purpose. These adverbs describe why an action is performed. For example, she spoke quietly to avoid waking the baby. He ran quickly to catch the bus. So now let's see the usage of adverbs. So, modifying verbs. Adverbs often modify verbs to indicate how an action is carried out. She speaks fluently. He walked slowly. Then we have here modifying adjectives. Adverbs can modify adjectives to indicate the degree or intensity of a quality. For example, we have she is very happy. It is extremely cold. Then we have modifying other adverbs. Adverbs can also modify other adverbs to provide additional information about how an action is performed. He runs very quickly. She sings quite beautifully. Then we have examples in sentences. She danced gracefully across the stage. He spoke loudly so everyone could hear him. They arrived early for the meeting. The dog is sleeping underneath the table. She studies hard every night. He drives carefully in bad weather. Then we have here some examples. She sings beautifully. He runs fast. They arrive late. The dog is sleeping under the table. She reads slowly. He listens carefully. So now we will make a quiz time to see if you understood what is the function and where you will place an adverb in a sentence. I know, guys. It could be a little bit difficult for you, but don't worry. I'm here to help you. And Um, there is a lot of information to study, but just try to identify them. Like the majority of them ends in ly, or just try to give a sense to your phrase. Okay, you will see of what I'm talking about. For example, here she sings. She sings carefully. I don't think that is the right one for this sentence. She sings under. Mm-mm. She sings late. That it don't have any sense, right? She sings hard. She sings quickly. Yeah, it could be. It could be. But if you ask me, I will say that she sings beautifully. Then we have he drives. He drives beautifully? No. He drives carefully? It could be. He drives under? Under what? He drives late? It could be. He drives hard? He drives quickly? Yeah, it could be. He drives carefully, we will say this time. They arrived. They arrived what? Under? Hard? Yeah, they arrived late. The cat is sleeping carefully. quickly? I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments what do you think that is the right adverb for this sentence. And for the she runs, I'll be writing those comments. So write it, guys, to see if you understood a little bit better how adverbs are placed in a sentence. So thank you guys to watch my videos. I hope that you enjoyed this little capsule of grammar, and I hope that little by little you improve your English. And don't worry, from the beginning, I think that all of us were lost. But by the time and with the effort and I don't know, trying to improve or memorize new things daily, you will enrich your vocabulary and you will be able to have a conversation, right? So, if you have friends or family that wants to learn or improve their English skills, please send this video and don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Thank you.